Today's energy mix combines endless power of nature with highly efficient power plants, transmitting energy with human engineering. We challenge technology every day, and sometimes it's the small things that make the difference.
If you look at this small little turbine blade, it actually looks very tiny and very simple. But at the end of the day, it is one of the most challenging applications, I guess, out there for metal additive manufacturing. Not only did we simply 3D print an existing design of that blade and test it, but we also changed the design of the blade itself in order to improve the performance of the part.
Together with EOS, we are working with the productivity improvement, with the, let's say, going down with the manufacturing cost, and I believe that we really can add value to both of us, and by doing this, support the rest of the industry.
It's easy to generate a prototype or a sample, but it's very hard to achieve a physical part that actually stems from digital data with a defined process chain behind and ends up in a rig test and withstands the requirements for a gas turbine component. And this is something that we managed in this project.
So now, with this technology, we really can speed up quickly, but what needs to be done? We need to change the mindset in our designers, so they need to understand this flexibility.
1250 degrees, 1000 miles per hour, 11 tons weight pulling at each blade. If you can print a turbine blade, you can print pretty much everything. It is designed with Siemens NX, produced on EOS equipment, powered by Siemens automation technology, and engineered and manufactured at Siemens and Materials Solutions.